So tracking the tropics, we have Tropical Storm Alberto, but also watching an area of low pressure northeast of the Bahamas we'll keep our eyes on over the next couple of days. Now, Alberto has gained some strength this evening, continuing to make its way to the west at center of circulation at 9 miles per hour. The winds have increased to about 50 miles per hour. Tropical storm warnings in effect along Mexico. You can see the pressures drop now to 993 millibars. Overnight tonight into the early morning hours, making its way onshore, downgrading a bit, and once it makes its way inland, is going to lose its tropical status, raining itself out, possibly 20 inches of rain over some spots of Mexico. Wanted to show this to you again. You can see that tropical storm force wind field 460 miles from that center of circulation. That does include parts of Corpus Christi and even that onshore flow continuing through parts of Houston, the Galveston area, where we've seen that storm surge happening. Now the rain continues to make its way from the east to the west down through San Antonio, stretching down to near Corpus Christi, noticing a tornado warning there, which isn't a surprise when they have these tropical systems moving in, that change in direction with height as these systems move their way through those outer bands as well. Now here in North Texas, we've been seeing some light rain in parts of North Texas, making its way through at that 10% chance, a little bit more down to the south. This is all associated with Alberto, and we'll see that same trend as we go into tomorrow. Now that center of circulation makes its way onshore, we're going to see just this tropical air mass sticking around. So tomorrow I kept that rain chance around 10%. Could see a couple of isolated showers pop up, but the majority of the rain is going to be well down to the south. So tomorrow, precip chances 10%, 93 for the summer solstice, Friday 94, Saturday 97. We're going to be seeing this heat dome really expand over us, kind of expand a little bit over the southern plains and then kind of set up to our south and west as we go into the weekend into next week. So what's that mean? It's going to be sunny and it's going to be hot. Your UV index in the extreme category. 99 Sunday, Monday 99. I'm going 100 on Tuesday. So that's well above the average of 92 this time of the year. Clyde Warren parking lot. A lot of people out and about tonight at 10:19. 83 degrees our current temperature, dew point 68. So it feels a little bit warmer than that. East winds at 10 holding together across the Metroplex. We're sitting in the low 80s to the upper 70s in some spots. Through the remainder of the night tonight, we're going to be down to about 80 degrees by 3. And overnight tonight, mid 70s on the way. It will be a muggy start to your day tomorrow. Temperatures warming their way into the low 90s, but feeling like 97. You saw that sneak peek of the first alert 7-day forecast temperatures, I should say. 97 Saturday, Sunday through Wednesday. It's going to be hot for us. Look at the morning temperatures on Tuesday and Wednesday, Ken, only down to the low 80s.